You're probably quite familiar with them. They're colourful and they're plasticky and they're pretty useful, and they attach your arrow to the string. Yeah, plastic nocks. Your arrow's pretty useless without it. If you've never seen how to fit one or never fit one yourself, here's a quick look at how it works. You use this thing called a taper tool, which rather neatly and carefully cuts you an exact taper to the corresponding taper that you'll find inside the plastic nock. Bit of glue, and then you slip that on and you're good to go. Now, there are more difficult ways if you want to make your life more difficult, and yeah, here they are. These are a tanged nock. These are actually a natural nock. This one's bone, and we've also got some made out of horn. Now, what I mean by tanged is that little bit of extra that you can see there at the end. Now, a normal nock, as you just saw, is fitted on with a cone shape of wood. Now, the tanged nock, as you can see, needs to go into the wood. It goes in quite a way, a similar depth to the type of nock cut that you achieve with using the taper tool there, and it will sit flush, as you can see. Now, just give you a better idea of what a tang is. This is a tanged head. It's got a much longer tang on it, so you can get a better idea. This has already been fitted, so we've got the hole in the shaft there already, and the tang just slips in. There we go. We're going to take another closer look at one of these next week, so join us then. Now it's time to get some tools out and get drilling a shaft. I need to find a similar sized drill bit to the tang, and yeah, this one will probably do. So hold it very, very, very centrally onto the shaft. I've actually put the shaft into a vise here. And yeah, well, it's kind of doing it by eye, really. You might have a setup there where you've got a pillar drill. Use whatever you can, but I'm actually doing this freehand here with the drill, drilling that in. So I've probably drilled far enough. I'm just going to check whether the tang goes all the way in, and it does. So yeah, I've drilled far enough into that there, as you can see. Obviously put some glue in there, it'll help keep that in place, but you can check prior to doing that the fit's okay. Do any sanding that you've got to do on the end there to get a perfect fit. That's the horn ones there, and that's the bone one that's going in now, which is the whiter colour. They're both the same sizes, so they provide the same fit. Now, next week, as I say, we're going to be taking a look at making this arrow, which is the Viking type of arrow. If you're interested and you want to make some of your own arrows with those tanged nocks, well, I've got some in our sale. I'll put them in the link below. Once they're gone, folks. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.